what you wanted?
How do you open it? I'm not looking until I'm done getting this trash bag off. That's funny.
Well, the trash bag.
That's what I was telling Annie. Is that the present in the trash
Have you
bag?
opened it yet?
The end.
Have you opened your eyes yet?
One's got blue eyes, one's got brown eyes.
Oh, I like that one. I mean, that ain't supposed to be old.
I went right straight to where you told me to get it. That was our secret weapon. Here's a bottle.
A bottle?
A baby bottle.
Well, have you thanked Papa? Have you thanked Papa?
There's two.
Have you thanked Papa?
Yeah, she thanks me all the time.
Thank you. I'm eating pizza. Who's swimming?